that the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was mentioned by name in the Bible.
In fact, the form Muhammad is impossible in Hebrew. It violates, there's no possible verbal form, not pu'al, hufal.
Now, Muslims have had 14 centuries to find their best, strongest examples of prophecies about Muhammad.
We've heard this for years, and in Christian circles and in Jewish circles, this is a point of laughter for us.
I am co-authoring a book with two other researchers.
I've been working on a book for the last 3 years, which is going to show from Genesis to Malachi how all of this fits together, and it's better than the New Testament's attempts at proving prophecies for Jesus.